What's up guys, Knife Fanatic here, and we got another unboxing to do from QSP Knives. This is the QSP Penguin in carbon fiber red. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Oh yeah. That carbon fiber looks really nice. And D2 steel, a black coated D2 blade. We got a deep carry pocket clip with an inset pocket clip, but the screws are not inset, so they're sticking up just a little bit. Tension on that pocket clip is good. Let's see what else. We got a D-shaped pocket clip. Excuse me, a D-shaped pivot screw. In other words, it's captive. And the hardware for that captive pivot screw is a T8. And it looks like we're gonna be using a T6 for the body and the pocket clip. So let's go ahead and open her up. Looking at a sheep's foot blade here. Overall length on this guy, we're looking at just a hair over 7 inches with a cutting edge of just under 3 inches. And let's compare it to some other knives here. The Kizer Drop Bear. These look almost exactly the same length. I want to say they're very, very close. We got the Migron Pagos here. This one is just a little bit longer. And the CJRB Pyrite. So again, very similar in overall length. We got a liner lock on this guy with what it looks like to be some pretty good access there to the liner. And the action on this is not gonna be, yeah, that's not drop shut at all. Very, very stiff action. Maybe if I see if we can loosen the pivot just a little bit, see if that helps at all. I mean, it's already pretty loose, and I don't want to sacrifice blade centering for that. There we go. Let's check the centering on it real quick. So yeah, looks like we're a little off to the left there. It's probably due to me loosening the pivot, I would say. Let's try. Tightening her back up just a little bit. But then, yeah, that action is not good at all. Man, I don't know what it is, but this say maybe we got a little bit better, but still not centered, it looks like. And this action is just not, it's not it. I don't know what to tell you, but it's, if you want an easy to open knife and close, then I don't think this is the knife for you. It's I'm having a hard time opening and closing it. But I mean, aesthetically, this knife, I thought it just looked really nice, really cool, just with the red carbon fiber, with the sheep's foot blade here. I really like sheep's foot blades. But I'm not really a fan of that D2 steel. I mean, even yeah, it's coated, so it's gonna help with some corrosion, but D2 is very prone to rust, and you know, if you're really using this knife, it's gonna eventually wear that coating off and expose the bare D2 metal, and if you don't maintain it properly, it will rust a lot more than some other steels. But you got a lanyard hole there. What else? Let's see how much this knife weighs. So 3.5 ounces compared to the Pagos, which is pretty similar again in weight. 3.7 ounces for that. And we'll do the drop bear. 3.8. Again, very similar, but I mean, take into account this has a lanyard. I'm sure you can look up the specs for the drop bear online somewhere. But yeah, guys, this is the QSP Penguin. You know, maybe if I just give it some time to break in, the action will loosen up and get better. But as of right now, at the box, it's just it's not it. So, you know, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but just the action isn't there on this guy. So if y'all liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Knife Fanatic out.